In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Multiverses on the PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Multiverses has been officially released once more, now with full access to online and offline game modes. You will be able to choose between this big roster of fighters and play alone, with your friends, unranked, together, offline, etc. There's a lot of ways to enjoy Multiverses, and you will be able to play for free on your PlayStation 5. You might have microtransactions that you can browse through using the Battle Pass, the events, or even the store, but to keep it simple, you will be able to find and play Multiverses for free. So all that you have to do is open the PlayStation Store on your console. You will notice that I am recording this process on my PC. Unfortunately, I don't have the means to access a PlayStation 5 at the moment, but all that you have to do on the PlayStation Store directly on your console is to use the search function and look for Multiverses. You might see it highlighted on the home screen of the PlayStation Store because it is very popular and because, like I said, it was recently re-released. Once you find Multiverses, just choose the option to add the game to your library and you will be able to install it. Like I said, you will be able to queue up against other people by yourself, unranked, because ranked mode is still locked, it is going to come soon, or you can invite a friend and play 2v2 together. You can do offline modes, so if you have multiple people over, everyone can connect a controller and all of you will be able to play together. And as you saw, there is a big roster of characters. So if I go inside of the game, this is the interface that you will see on your PlayStation 5. Again, I am recording this process on my PC, but regardless, the game is exactly the same on any console, and you can select between 1v1 or 2v2 for online, which is titled as normal. If you go over to other, you can start a training mode match, local, or play however you prefer against bots. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Multiverses on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.